Most traders stumble not from lack of knowledge, but from trading without a clear system to guide them. They fail because they lack a system, a structured approach that removes guesswork and brings discipline to every decision. Charts flash, option chain numbers blur. It's an overwhelming flood of data without a framework to make sense of it all. Mood swings, fear, hope, a trending video, or one bad candle. These random influences drive most trading decisions, creating chaos instead of clarity. Amateur traders react on emotion and impulse, while professionals rely on structured systems and objective rules to guide every move. Professionals don't ask what they feel, they ask what their system says, letting rules replace emotion. This is system-based intraday options trading, a disciplined approach that turns chaos into consistency. Welcome to Money Mastry, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation through smart, systematic trading. Today's system is complete and rule-based, eliminating guesswork, overtrading, and emotional decisions from your trading routine. It all comes down to three things: rules, clarity, and consistency, the pillars that transform trading from gambling into a reliable craft. Let's start by understanding what a trading system really is and why it matters for consistent success. Every trade follows three stages. You enter a position, manage it while it's active, and finally exit when conditions are met. A trading system isn't just a strategy, it's a decision-making framework that guides every choice you make. Your system answers the critical questions: when to trade, what to buy, where to exit, and how much to risk. If you can't write your rules on paper, you don't actually have a system. Now let's explore the Money Mastry intraday system and how it simplifies trading decisions. This system uses only 4 tools: price, option chain, OI flow, and time. Nothing more. No indicators overload, no confusion, just clarity and focus. The first rule set determines which markets you're allowed to trade. Trade only Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty. These 3 indices provide the liquidity and structure you need. Before entering any trade, confirm 3 conditions: good liquidity, normal IV, and no major news in the next 30 minutes. Good systems start with good filtering. Eliminate bad setups before they tempt you. The second rule set controls when you're allowed to trade during the day. Trade only during 2 windows: morning from 9:25 to 10:45, and afternoon from 1:45 to 2:45. Time is the most underrated edge in intraday trading. Use it wisely. The third rule set establishes your directional bias before you even consider a trade. Start with monthly OI for direction bias, confirm with weekly OI, then execute based on intraday OI. No alignment equals no trade. At least 2 timeframes must agree before you act. The fourth rule set defines the exact conditions that must be present before you enter. For a call buy entry, you need price above VWAP, put OI rising, call OI falling, and bullish OI flow. For a put buy entry, you need price below resistance, call OI rising, put OI falling, and bearish OI flow. Strike selection is simple. Choose ATM or ITM options with the nearest expiry. If even one condition fails, you skip the trade. No exceptions. The fifth rule set protects your capital through stop loss and target management. Your stop loss is mandatory. Exit when option premium drops 30%. Target at least 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Take partial profit at 20 to 30 points, then trail the rest. Limit yourself to 2 trades per day maximum. Discipline prevents overtrading. Your system protects you when your emotions won't. Trust the rules. The 6th rule set is the most important. It tells you when not to trade. Stay out when OI doesn't confirm price. Both OI are rising, IV is extremely high, news is incoming, or you've had 3 consecutive losses. Knowing when not to trade is a superpower. Patience saves capital. Let's walk through a complete trade example to see how all the rules work together. Monthly bias is bullish, weekly put OI is rising, intraday put OI is surging, and call OI is collapsing. Everything aligns. Price breaks resistance, triggering the entry signal to buy an ATM call. You enter the position with a 30% stop loss already in place. No excitement, no stress, just execution of the system. The final rule addresses the psychology that makes or breaks every trader. A system only works if you follow it. Consistency is everything. Practice 4 discipline rules. No overconfidence after wins, no revenge trading after losses, no FOMO, and journal every trade. Discipline is the final indicator. It determines whether you succeed or fail. You didn't just learn a strategy today. You built a complete trading system with 7 essential components. Your system starts with 4 foundational pillars: choosing the right markets, defining your trading windows, establishing direction bias, and setting mechanical entry rules. 3 protective layers keep you safe. Risk management controls your exposure. Capital protection preserves your account. And emotional control keeps you disciplined. This systematic approach is exactly how professionals survive and thrive in intraday options trading. Now, let's talk about where we go from here. If this system gave you clarity, hit like and comment "System Ready" below. Subscribe to Money Mastery for your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. In the next phase, we'll dive into advanced skills that turn systems into real income. You'll master advanced execution, learn scaling frameworks, refine risk management, and ultimately build income engines that generate consistent returns. Thank you for watching.